Hello, good morning children. Open your GK book. In previous class I taught these are all the riddles. Only riddles you are written in your notebook. You have to draw, otherwise stick the pictures I said. That you have to complete children. And then today I am explaining languages of the world. We are using many languages. So languages help us to communicate with one another and write how people speak hello, welcome, thank you and goodbye in different languages. In a given blank spaces you maybe use the help box and complete this. People are using many languages in world, but language is very important to communicate our emotions, expressions. Yes or no? You have to, whatever you are thinking, you have to express to your another person. That's why language is most important. Now we are using English, Math, English, Marathi and Hindi languages. Yes or no? But in English, hello. What will we say in a Hindi? In different languages are here and what they are pronouncing. हेलो हेलो कैसे बोलते हैं हिंदी में? हिंदी में बोलते हैं हेलो को नमस्ते. हिंदी in Hindi language hello means namaste. In French language hello means bonjour. You have to write here. You use the help box and complete this. So see, in French hello means bonjour. And then third, German language hello, guten Tag. Chinese ni hao. And Italian ciao. Japanese konnichiwa. So like this type they are using, but we have to difficult to pronounce. Next, in Russian language, what they are using, what they are telling to hello, Jabravastov. And then Spanish language, hola. Like this type they are telling in English, in different language hello and welcome. Welcome को क्या बोलते हो हिंदी में? हिंदी में वेलकम को स्वागत. हिंदी वेलकम स्वागत. एंड देन फ्रेंच वेलकम को बेनीवेन्यू they are telling in welcome. And then German language they are saying willkommen. Next, Chinese language they are saying huna ingu gang lin. Chinese, it is very fun to pronounce or not, so you have to practice these all the words what they are telling hello and welcome. Next, Italian language what they are saying in welcome beniventi. And then Japanese yokoso. Japanese they are saying welcome means yokoso. And then Russian dobro pozhilot. And then Spanish language benivendo. Next, थैंक यू. थैंक यू को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? हिंदी में थैंक यू को हम बोलते हैं धन्यवाद. और फ्रेंच मेर्सी. और जर्मन दनके. और चाइनीज शी. इटालियन जर्जिया. Japanese Artigattu, Russian Spasiba, Spanish Gracias. So like this type they are using the words. Next goodbye. Goodbye को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? हिंदी में goodbye को नमस्ते. अभी hello को भी नमस्ते बोलते हैं, goodbye को भी नमस्ते बोलते हैं हिंदी में. और फ्रेंच भाषा में यो रेवियोर एंड देन जर्मन भाषा में, जर्मन लैंग्वेज में ऑफ वाडरसेन. नेक्स्ट चाइनीज जेना. इटालियन लैंग्वेज अरिवेरिसी. नेक्स्ट जापानीज लैंग्वेज sayonara means goodbye. And then Russian language दो सड़ी निजाए. And then Spanish language adios. Just you have to revise these all the words and write here. Complete this. Now I am teaching next lesson the campaign birds. So see here, there are many type of birds in our surrounding. Some are fly fast and some swim fast. All birds have some special qualities and all of them are champions in some or the other way. They are, so all the birds we have seen our surrounding, all birds are having their own special qualities. So here we are going to study about some birds. They are very special features. They are having special features. So see here children, here Peregrine Falcon. It is name of bird. Peregrine Falcon is the fastest diving and also the fastest flying. It is diving in very fastest and fastest flying also on the planet. It soars to great height and then dives deep at the speed of over 200 miles per hour. 200 miles per hour it is diving very, ऊपर से नीचे कूदता भी है वो और फास्ट फ्लाई भी करता है. इस बर्ड का नाम क्या है? पेरिगेरियन फ्लैकॉन. दिस इज नेम ऑफ बर्ड. दिस इज फास्टेस्ट diving and fastest flying bird in the planet. Planet we are living on that earth na. In this on that earth this is a fastest flying bird. Next hummingbird. We can see in this picture, this is a hummingbird. Is a small bird, smallest bird. It is very smallest bird in the world. It is as small as a finger. It can flap its wings 90 times in a second. How many times it is flap its wings? 90 times in a second. It can even fly backwards also. All the birds are flying forwards, but this bird is flying backward and it is flap its wings 90 times in 1 second. So it is very smallest bird. It is like a small as a finger. हमारा फिंगर रहता है ना, उतना ही छोटा है ये और 90 टाइम इसका विंग्स फ्लप करता है वो 1 सेकेंड में. समझ में आया क्या बच्चों? एंड इट इज़ फ्लाइंग बैकवर्ड आल्सो. ऑल द बर्ड्स आर फ्लाइंग फॉरवर्ड. दिस हमिंग बर्ड इज फ्लाइंग बैकवर्ड. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? दिस इज हमिंग बर्ड. नेक्स्ट ऑस्ट्रिच. व्हाट इज दिस? Ostrich. Ostrich is the tallest and largest bird in the world. It cannot fly but it runs faster than horse. It is very tallest. बहुत बड़ा भी रहता है, बहुत बड़ा भी रहता है, बहुत tall भी रहता है. A bird cannot fly because it is having very heavy weight. That's why it cannot fly, but it is running very fast. Fast as a horse. Horse दौड़ने में फेमस है, उससे भी आगे निकल जाता है ये ऑस्ट्रिच. नेक्स्ट कोकोपो. It is कोकोपो is the largest and heaviest parrot. This beak is looks like parrot or not. This is one of the parrot. Its name is kokopo. Is the largest and heaviest parrot. It cannot fly. Why? Its weight is very heavy. That's why it cannot fly. It cannot fly. It is also considered to be one of the longest living bird in the world. Means many days, बहुत दिन, बहुत साल जी रह सकता है, बहुत उम्र है इसका. It is very longest living bird. All the birds are having little bit smallest living birds, but it is live many years. So its name is what? Kokopo is the largest and heaviest parrot. Understood, children? So this you understood. Now you have to complete the fill in the blanks. So see here, which is the smallest bird in the world? Now you understood. This is hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. Next, the tallest and largest bird in the world. Which is the tallest and largest bird? Ostrich. Ostrich is very tall and largest. बड़ा रहता है. What you have to write here? Ostrich. Here you have to write hummingbird. And then third, dash is a parrot that cannot fly. It is kokopo. Kokopo is cannot fly. It is parrot. So you have to write here kokopo. And then peregrine falcon is the fastest and also the fastest flying bird on the planet. You have to complete this fastest diving and fastest flying bird, that you have to complete here. So this you have to complete, children, and read this lesson. Understood, children? You send your homework back to me. Thank you.